The battle over abortion rights is raging across the Americas as anti-abortion activists test their luck with the new conservative Supreme Court here in the U.S. Things are moving in the other direction just south of the border. In one of the most Catholic countries in the world, women's rights activists have scored a major victory.
El día de hoy es un paso más en la lucha histórica por su igualdad.
Earlier this month, Mexico's Supreme Court made waves, voting unanimously to decriminalize abortions.
What does this mean for women in Mexico?
Sending a woman to prison for having had an abortion is unconstitutional. Any woman who is in prison right now in Mexico because of having had an abortion, because she exercised her autonomy, should be released right now.
Previously, abortions were decriminalized in only 4 states in the country. In the other 28, an abortion could lead to up to 6 years in prison. The landmark ruling now considered a game changer that some say could clear the way for legalization of abortions nationwide.
No podía creer que por fin fuera realidad.
Abortion rights activist Veronica Sanchez still in disbelief. She's been on the front lines of this fight for more than 20 years.
Ya no está esa sombra de la clandestinidad, esta idea de que las mujeres que abortan son malas, son delincuentes, están matando a alguien. Se acabó de tajo en términos jurídicos en México.
But not everyone in the conservative and Catholic country agrees with the decision. Leaders of the Catholic Church in Mexico responding on Twitter, writing, "Those of us who are convinced of the value of life have no need for a murderous law like the one they are passing." Criticism of the ruling now reaching the pulpit. This now viral sermon by a priest in Coahuila, at one point asking the question, pressure has been mounting over the last few years, with activists demanding access to abortions and an end to violence against women. On average, 10 women were killed per day in Mexico last year, the highest number in 3 decades.
We are in a revolutionary moment of women's rights in Latin America. It just gives me hope that the movement and the fight is so much bigger than the haters.
Late last year, Argentina became the largest Latin American country to legalize abortion. Soon, Colombia's high court will rule on expanding abortion rights.
What could this mean for the region overall?
It's taking over Latin America, and that arrived to Mexico, is arriving to Colombia. We also saw a beautiful protest in Dominican Republic just a few months ago, also trying to convince legislators to recognize that we need to have full autonomy.
These changes aren't happening everywhere. In El Salvador, having an abortion carries a sentence of up to 40 years in prison. Back in Mexico, Sanchez says this fight is far from over. But today, she celebrates.
Las mujeres hoy sí tenemos algo que celebrar. El aborto significa para las mujeres la libertad.
All right, Priscilla Thompson joins us now on set. So, Priscilla, clear something up. It's decriminalized, but that doesn't necessarily mean abortion is now legal in Mexico.
Exactly. So a woman can no longer go to jail for having an abortion, and our activists are currently working with women who may be in prison for having an abortion to have them petition a judge to be released, have their criminal records cleared in order to regain their lives. But activists say that the next steps are going to be pressuring the states to create laws that will regulate the abortion services and also ensuring that women have access. And that is really what's going to sort of drive the path to legalization.
Okay, Priscilla Thompson for us tonight. Priscilla, thank you for that report.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.